here we have the GH1200 5-pack of glue. Now, this is a super glue gel and it's pretty good. It comes in a nice 5 convenient tubes, because we all know when we open up one, it kind of goes away. So what you have is the tube, and you have to break the seal with the pin that goes along inside. It's inside the little pin. So you put this in there, you break the seal, and then you screw on the applicator. It has a nice long tube. This way you could get and work and find spots. And you squeeze, fills this up, and you apply a line. I fixed a pair of Oakley glasses with the plastic prescription lens, because the lens cracked when I got hit in the face with a tennis ball, and it got me back in business that night. Easy cleanup, and it's holding very well, so I'm very satisfied. And I had trouble finding the one glue that I had, but now that I have 5, I'm able to put this in the kitchen, put this in the basement toolbox, in the toolbox in the garage. I'll keep one in the car, and this way my chances of finding a glue goes up by 5 times instead of having one glue. So this is basically gonna bomb to anything that you can think of. Electric appliances, accessories. It's great for hobbies, sporting goods, automotive accessories. Basically anything that you would need a super glue and gel for. This comes in handy. It helped fix my glasses, and I'm glad I got it. And it's a convenient 5-pack.